everyone. Here we can prepare for International English Olympiad exam for grade 4, chapter 9 tenses. Here, what is mean by tenses? Tenses means the action of time. Action of time refers to tenses. Here are three major types of tenses are simple present, simple past and simple future. Here four are addition with the D3 tenses. Example, simple present tense, a present continuous, a present perfect continuous. In the same way, past tense and future tense also. Simple past, a past continuous, a past perfect tense, a past perfect continuous. In the future sense, a simple future continuous, future perfect, and then future perfect continuous. Here, the first one a. Read the given passage and fill in the blanks using the present form of the verb in the given bracket. Here, a dash a mixture of many gases. I want to tell you one that thing. Present tense means is, are, am, are the present tense. Was, were, or the past tense. Here you can use is the he, she subject, and was used for the he, she subject. Where or we can use for the plural subject. Am is used for the I subject personally. Here the first question, yeah, dash, yeah, mixture of many gases means you should have seen that the given options are here the given options are first one A will or is was. The question is yeah dash is mixture of many gases. You should pick the option is because yeah is a single thing. Here was is the past tense, will is a future. They mention that present tense is there. So are and is are the present tense, or we can use it for a plural subject. Yeah is a singular, so okay. We can use yeah is the mixture of many gases. So second question we can see it dash about 78 of percentage. Here is the present tense. You can see the given option and find out the correct answer. That the options are to A contain, B contained, C containing, D contains. Here, contained is the past tense, containing is a continuous tense. They ask that the present tense. Here, contain and contains are the present tense, but the thing we can use that it is placed there. It dash about 78 percentage of nitrogen they asked. So it is the plural form. So we can add as the yes in of the present tense. So here the answer is contains. So here the option is it contains about 78 of percent. Here the third question, animals dash to breathe in air in order to get oxygen. Here the given options are A needs, B need, C needed, D needing. Here the ing placed means it is the continuous tense. So ed placed means it is the past tense. So need and need or the given options is a present tense. So here animals is placed with the if the animals is the plural form, you know that. So you cannot add s in the sentence. Here need is the correct option. Why? Because means need animals are the plural form. So you cannot able to add s in this sentence. The fourth question, oxygen dash the food within our body and dash energy for various activity. Fifth question also joined with the sentence. A option, burnt, burns, burned, burning. I already told you, except burnt and burns, rest all are the continuous and past tense. Here the correct option is burns. Why? Because means oxygen is a singular form. So we can add yes in the place of burn. Burnt is the past form. So here the fifth question. Put with their body on dash energy. Here released, releasing, releases, and the sixth one release. Here the two options are same. Ma'am, released and releasing are not the present tenses, but the releases and the release are the present tenses. So dash energy, body under dash is asked. So here the option is releases. Why? Because the put their body animal. So the answer is releases. So the sixth question: water animals dash oxygen from water. Here we can see the given option. Here the water animals, the question is placed. A option derived, B derives, C derive, D option derived. Here what is the correct option for that? Derives, the correct option. Why? Because means the animals are placed there, means you should keep the answer as the derived. Animal is the plural form, so you can add it as a singular. So derive is the correct form. Rest all or D is the past derived and derived. Derived is also a present tense, but is it in the plural form, so you can pick the option as a derived. Seventh question: microbes like amoeba dash through their body surfaces. Here the question: microbes like amoeba. Amoeba is the singular thing. So here take is the correct option. Why? Because means if the placed microbes is placed means you place the answer takes. Yes, amoeba is placed mean amoeba is a amoeba, not you can pronounce it as amoeba. It be pronounced as a amoeba. You cannot be pronounced as amoeba. So you can properly pronounce it as a amoeba. So here the correct option is a take. Why? Because means amoeba is a certain thing which are small insects are contained in the one thing. So here take is the correct answer and it was a plural. Here insects breathe through their spiracles, birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. Is that enough? When we breathe, we dash in fresh air. Eighth question. Here the take, took and taking. Here the seventh question answer amoeba breathers is the correct option. Why? Because means amoeba is a certain type of singular thing. It contains the more and more nicotine inside it. So we can put the answer as breathers. Here the eight one options are takes, take, look and taken. Here the eighth one option is which is the correct answer means take is the correct option. Why? Because means you should when we breathe, we is a plural form. So here the answer is take is the correct one. Ninth question, we dash this inhaled air, the air that we breathe out, a dash called exhaled air. Both of the questions are placed, inhaled and exhaled, dash. Ninth options are calls, calling, call, called. Is that was, is, have, had. Both are the singular form. And so we can use as call is the correct one and is the correct one. Why? Because means a call is a singular form. Calls means a plural form. Was, had are the past perfect. So have is a present perfect. Here they ask only for the past. Here they can only ask for the past, not present. So we can choose the option as call and 10th one for B is. 11th one, exhaled air is warmer and a dash more. Here the correct option is has more. Why? Because means have, having, had is a past form, have is a present form, having is a present continuous. And here exhaled air is that what we think it's that we can place it as has is the correct option. Here the 12th question is to the 12th question, human beings dash clean air to breathe. Human beings dash clean, we can see the given option. 11th one, option we finished. 12th one, requires, requiring. Here you can see that what the question means. Human beings dash cleans air to breathe. So is that correct option is require. Why? Because mean human beings is a plural thing. So you can pick the option as require is the correct form. A B option, fill in the blanks using simple past and past continuous form of the verb given in the bracket. First, you should know what is past and what is past continuous form. Past tense form is a subject plus a was, were plus object. Past continuous means subject plus a was, were plus verb V1 plus ing plus object is the correct form of the past continuous. Example, I was cooking in the evening. I was cooking in the evening is the past tense. I was yesterday. Yesterday I was cooking is the correct form because yesterday is the past tense. Next one, here the past tense means I ate apple is the past tense. Okay, look at the 13th question. Karan dash sing a song yesterday. Here we should change the sing as the past form. Here the past form of the sing, you should memorize the verb sing, sang, sung. So we can see I already told you here the correct option is sang. Why? Because means sing, sang, sung. This the sang is the past form of the verb. So he sang song yesterday is the correct form. Here the 14th question. He dash for the school function. Bracket is sing. Here the same option also. He school function means yesterday. So sing means it is a past continuous tense. For is the clue word of the past continuous tense. If for is placed means it should be the past continuous tense. So here he is placed there. He she is placed there means the subject. We should use that was. Here the plural subject means you can use as a were. Here we can see the given option below. Sing, sung, singing, was singing is the correct option. Why? Because means he is subject place. That means was sing or continuous as a singing. Here we see 15th question. Sushil dash read too much. Here, Sushil read is the present tense. We should change is as the past tense. Even though we can read the 16th question because it is a joint. Even yesterday he dash read a novel. Is the tense we should find that what are the options are there. Then only we can find out the answer. Here, Sushil dash reads too much. The question is, he is reading too much. Sushil is placed there, so here is the reading is the correct option. So you should place that read because read is the past tense. He continuously reading. Next one, 16th. Even yesterday he dashed a novel. Even yesterday was reading a novel. Why? Because the two sentences are all belong to the social. Because why? Because means he read now the time only, so he can read the evening also. So evening means continuously he is reading. So we can place as the past continuous was reading. So 15th one, read is the correct option. Here we can see the 17th. Here we can see the 17th question. Nina and Ria dash a lot of work. Here the correct option we should place it here as the past tense. So danced is the past tense. Why? Because dance and dances are the present tense. Here the next question, 18th. Nina dash more gracefully than Ria. That compare a more than. So we are used as the answer was dancing, is dancing, and are dancing, dances, or all the present forms. So we can pick the option was dancing. 19th question. Look father dash repair father. The bracket the verb is placed in the look father. Here he repaired. So repaired is then correct form. Why? Because means rest all are the present tense. Next one. The baby dash cried because she was hungry. 20th option. Cry, cries, was crying, be crying. Here, cry, cries, crying, all are the present form. Was crying is the correct form. So, 21st question. Salma generally dash speak in Hindi, but yesterday she dash speak in English. We are two questions joining into one sentence. We should speak both option. That 21st option. Speak, spoke, speaking, speaking. He generally spoke Hindi. Why? Because he do regularly. He speak Hindi regularly. So spoke is the correct answer. 22. Suddenly he was yesterday speaking the English. It is a shock thought. So here the answer for 21 is spoke and 22 is was a speaking. Here see, fill in the blanks with the suitable tense forms from the given option. 23rd question. Please a dash quiet. I am trying to ready. Here, B option should be placed there. Here, the option is C. B we should be placed there. Why? Because means we should answer as am or is the present tense. So, is the three or present tense should be placed in there. So, B is the common thing of the all verb. If the all verbs should be contained in the one form of a be verb, they should be considered as am or is and then was were. Next one, 24th. They didn't dash the concept under, that's why they were confused in the seminar. If they were confused is the past tense. So we should pick the answer as understand. Why? Because means that they didn't understand the concept. So they were confused. Other learned, got, studied is all not suitable for this one. 25th. My brother dashed volleyball, but he didn't like basketball. My brother liked volleyball. Why? Because means it's the past. He always liked volleyball only. Didn't like the basketball. Did is the past tense. You should know that definitely. Did is the past tense. Here the 26th question, the sun dash and the birds are dash, what a beautiful day it was. Here the given options, shining, sun, shined, putting, so, sun. Here the fourth option is shines, standing. Here the correct option is C. Why? Because means shown, sang is both of these sentences the past tense. Why? Because shining is a continuous, sang is the past, shined is the past tense, putting is the continuous. Here the two form of the beautiful day it was. Was is mentioned as the past tense. So here you should pick the answer. See, shown, sang is the correct one. Next one, 27. 27th, my father is a dash very late days. Very late these days. You should see that is the present tense. So you should be placed as a continuous. So if the continuous means you should be placed that walking is the correct answer. Why? Because means my father walking in the last two of the, so here the answer is last these days his father is not working. So walking is the correct answer. Is walking. 28. I am dash French since I lived in the Paris for a long time. Here since is placed, that is the plural of that one. Here am is placed there. Am, do you know that am is the present tense. So here I am speaking is the correct one. 29th. 29. My brother dashed late last night, so he was sleepy in the morning. In the morning is the correct one. So sleepy is the past tense. Last night under was sleepy is the past tense. So you should place that was studying is the correct one because it is the past tense. So you should replace the past. 30th question, you dash that it was my mother's birthday yesterday. Here the last one, A, do, B, forgetting, C, leave, D, forgot. Yesterday here is mentioned is the plural of the past tense. So forgot is the correct answer for that. Forgot is the past tense. Forgetting is the continuous, or do is the present, and D is also a present tense. Here we can see the 31st question. Choose the correct option to complete each sentence. Like here, 31st question. Sarah dash coffee, but she dash like tea. Here, two boxes are there. Like, don't, like, doesn't, liking, doesn't, like, doesn't. Here, the correct option is it is a present tense, so you can use it as likes and doesn't. Why we can add yes in front of the word is like is a singular form, so we can add that es. So yes is the correct answer. 32. I dash my project file. Please don't disturb. This that you can understand. Don't is the present tense. Don't is the present tense. Did is the past tense. Does is also a present tense. Do does present. Here it is a present tense. So I is placed means you should keep answer am reading. I should be placed at subject means we should be answer that am as a V verb. 33 question. I sleep early at night, but my sister dash. Here the options are A didn't, B doesn't, C hasn't, D haven't. Here doesn't is the correct answer. Why? Because means sleep yearly. Sleep is the present tense, so here the form of I weekly means so here the answer doesn't. 34th. Why dash you lend me your textbook? I really need it. Why? Because means we use that option lend is the past tense, you see that. So you can pick the option didn't. Why? Because means did plus lent is formed as a lend the past tense form. Here 35th question. My grandmother dashed to temple every day in the morning. In the morning means is that present tense. So here you can pick the option goes. Go is not suitable for the sentence. Why? Because means my grandmother is a singular subject, so we can add es in the sentence. Here, go through the video thoroughly. Thank you all. Later you will be received the quizzes later online quizzes. So hope you all understand this type of tenses. Learn that and thank you all. Have a nice day.